Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this makeup look right here, and this is a clean girl makeup look. So clean girl makeup look is basically another name for a no makeup look. So I wanted to create a glowy and natural sort of a makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So for this makeup look, I feel skincare part is more important. If your skincare routine is already good, then your makeup and your base will look good. So I feel that your skincare game has to be good. So I'm going to start off with my skincare, and I have already cleansed my face using this Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. And now I'm going to put on a sheet mask, and this one is from Nykaa. This is just for that extra hydration. I personally love sheet mask because it's like an instant hydration, and it just feels like I'm pampering myself and all. It's like that time of the day when you just want to pamper yourself. I think makeup always looks good if your skincare before makeup is done right. And now to get all that beautiful things which is there in this sheet mask get absorbed into the skin, I'm going to use a facial roller. I personally love to use a facial roller. If not, I like to give myself a good facial massage. So I'm just gonna relax for 10 to 15 minutes and then I will take this off. I just love how my skin feels after using a sheet mask. Now I used this sheet mask for instant hydration, and as you guys can see how hydrated my skin looks and feels. The way you prep your skin is how your makeup or your base will turn out. To moisturize my face, I'm going to use Pond's Light Moisturizer. I really love this moisturizer, and this is so inexpensive. Like, it comes in a huge tub like this. For primer, I'm going to use Maybelline Master Prime for blur and smooth, and I'm going to concentrate this onto my pores because a no makeup look, I just want to concentrate more onto my problematic areas. Also, I'm going to hydrate my lips using the Carmex lip balm. So my skin is all prepped and my skin already looks so hydrated and glowy. Like, I love how my skin is looking right now. For my foundation, I'm going to use K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I feel this foundation is perfect for a clean girl makeup look because this is a hydrating foundation and it has almost sheer to medium coverage. And this foundation is like my skin but better sort of a foundation. We don't want to go in with a heavy coverage or a full coverage foundation. I just took a one pump of foundation at the back of my hand. This is in the shade 125Y medium, and this shade is perfect for my skin tone. So if you are near to my skin tone, I think you should go in with 125Y medium. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend this in. The whole point of this makeup look is to show your imperfections here and there. And I really love this foundation and I have been using it a lot recently. Now for concealer, I'm just going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal. Now this shade is very similar to my actual skin tone. That is why I'm going in with this concealer. I'm just going to apply this onto my problematic area, and also I'm going to apply this under my eyes. I'm using this concealer just to conceal my dark circles and not to highlight. Okay, if you do not have this major dark circles and if you feel you can skip onto the concealer, you can. Now I have concealed my dark circles. Now to highlight, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just gonna use a minimum amount of this product under my eyes. I just love to, like highlight my under eye area. If you want, you can completely skip this step. This is optional. Now also I'm going to blend this area where we applied the concealer. So this is how my base is looking and I am loving it. Now to set my under eye area, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade 20 Light Medium. Because I don't want my under eye area to crease, I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. To contour my face, I'm going to use the K Beauty Contour Stick, and this is in the shade Caramel Focus. I chose this contouring stick because this just melts into your makeup and it just looks very natural. You can also blend this contouring stick with your fingers like so, and it is so easy to blend this out. My contouring looks so natural and this is exactly what I wanted. That is why I went in with this contouring stick. It is so easy to use. It just blends in with your makeup and looks so natural, and this is what I wanted. For my blush, I'm going to use a tint, and this is by Naftun Beauty. So natural and so healthy. Like, I have been eating my veggies right and I'm not stressing out about anything in my life. It's like that. For my eyebrows, I'm not going to go in and perfectly give like a shape to my eyebrow. I'm just going to make my eyebrow look a little bushy and natural. Now for my eyes, you can literally use any palette that you have, but I'm going to go in with the Nudes palette by Maybelline. I think everybody has this palette, so I'm just going to go in with this transition shade right here, and I'm just going to apply this onto my crease. You can also use your bronzer to do this. Just apply your bronzer into your crease. For my mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies / Lift Waterproof Mascara. To get that extra glow onto my skin, I'm going to use a highlighter, and this is by Becca Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Champagne Pop. I'm also going to highlight my inner corners with the same highlighter. I'm just going to set my face using a fixing spray, and I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. You do not want to go in with a matte fixing spray, okay? And I'm just going to spray this all over my face. For my lipstick, I'm going to go in with my Nykaa Ilicious Lip Crayon in the shade Next Level Nude. This is the final look. I am loving like how glowy and natural my skin is looking. So if you guys liked it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video and like this video. I love you guys. Bye.